our ideas.
Oh yeah.
So we ran through them all. You want to jump into some good trade, bad trade?
Yeah. Let's start a positive note. Oh, hold on. Oh shit, my shit's stuck. Oh no. Okay, we're back. Good trade, bad trade. This AMED we talked about last week. How I had the great ad last week when it came down, held support, and I got a lot of cheap stock. And then pretty much today and yesterday, they have earnings Wednesday. I was really heavy in this one, so I just took it all off at the strength. Normally, I'd maybe I can get a couple more days out of it. But it was a great winner for me. I'm just taking my win, 4 straight days up. Yes, it looks great on weekly. It probably goes higher, but who knows what happens next week? And I got the strength now, and I booked. Yeah, this kind of made my month in the straight here.
Nice.
And bad trade. Bad trade for me is this LK. We were in this trade. We were building a position through this 20 area. We bought it. We got a feeler, and then we bought it there. It broke out. It kind of pulled back, and we were all in it. And I was building this massive position in it, and we couldn't figure out when exactly it had earnings. And we've dealt with this before in our career in the prop trading days, where these Chinese names, it's never clear when they're reporting earnings. Sometimes they sneak out earnings midday, or I remember this one. We were in Wuba in 2015, and they just snuck out earnings. We got lucky that they beat, but it was like we were all holding stock. It's like, oh shit, they dropped earnings. So then we saw on one website that LK had earnings the 22nd, which was that they were trading, and I was like, all right, I just got out break even. And literally 3 hours later, the stock ripped, and we saw on other websites it went to 28th. So the part I'm mad at is not missing the trade. Missed trades happen. You can't get mad at every missed trade. The part I was mad at in myself is the lack of information, where I didn't know the earnings date. I was in it so heavy, building this huge position, but I had no knowledge of when it was really reporting earnings, and I'm not holding that into earnings. So it's like I spent so much time building this huge position when I could have been focusing on other things. That's what I'm mad at. I don't care about the missed trade. I'm mad at the opportunity cost of staring at this name for days and weeks when I was never going to be in it regardless. So that's how I fucked that one up. But I mean, a ton of guys killed this trade, so probably best trade of the week for a lot of guys in the room who didn't see me oh shit, they have earnings 22nd. So, whatever.
And I thought you made up with it also today with team.
Yeah. That was Adam Rapp. That's open. Adam Rapp said this one looks like a great spot to open, so I set that alert. That thing fucking exploded, 137 to 150 in an hour and a half. Not bad. What do you got?
So for good trade again, we kind of went over it, that DFS. I've been watching this name pretty much since May, watching it kind of pulling and flag under 82. I bought pretty heavy through that. I took off a little bit yesterday just to kind of just book some. It was up 10%, literally just vertical. But I'm still holding a decent chunk of this. I still think we see near 100 in this in a month or two. And then bad trade was probably this AMD, just because it was and you even said I'm not taking it if he's taking it, because it was a name that I would never touch. So I bought through 34. I went 70 cents, came back. I got stopped out today, and now I'm just done. I could move on and let it kind of really set up. But this week I probably have the most positions I've had on, and as long as I can remember, I have 20 stop orders in.
Right. Especially in July, it's nuts.
Yeah, it's I have GWPH, PFPT, DE, WDFC, QLYS, C-Day. It's just so many names where it's all those buy stuff just kept going this week. And I was throw a stop in. And for the most part, a lot of them worked out very well. So it definitely was a pretty good week. Jumping.
Wait, back to the AMD though. It's so funny. You have to see the amount of people I have in my DMs, past members and shit. Oh, this motherfucker's buying AMD now.
Dr. Love messaged me today.
There's so many talking shit.
It's oh, so you bought AMD, and I was it's above $30 a share. I said I was. Granted, it didn't work, but I was expecting to get a little so heat for that. But I had to be consistent. I said if it was above 30, I would take it, and it was 3 times the charm. Just didn't go, but I'll take that.
You only took the trade though, because that was a mental thing. It wasn't just a setup; it was a mental thing.
Purely, I had to take it because I said I would, and it technically was 3 times the charm. So I'm I have to buy this. It didn't work, and
Whatever. Yeah. Okay. What we got next?
For top ideas for the week.